Looking to increase the number of followers you have on your brand's social media pages? The SocialToaster platform can help supplement your growth by using our Likes and Follows feature. You'll get to the Likes and Follows feature by logging into the SocialToaster dashboard and clicking the Features tab on the left-hand taskbar. From there, click the Likes Follows button. On the Likes and Follows page, simply paste your copied page URL into the address bar and click Add. There are additional customization options available by clicking the pencil and paper icon. Here you can adjust the photo associated with the social network as well as the description and points allotted where applicable. To have these appear on your program page, you'll need to add the Likes Follows block onto the page itself. You can do this by clicking the Design button on the top taskbar and selecting App Factory. From there you will select Pages and then Home Page Logged In. This leads you to the logged in view of your program page. From here you click Blocks on the bottom taskbar, which will open the Add Blocks submenu. Scroll down until you find the Likes Follows button, click it, and it will be added to the bottom of your program page. Lastly, don't forget to customize your Likes and Follows block. You can select whether you'd like it to be 1 block, 2 blocks, or 4 blocks wide. You can also customize the header text. Most importantly, you can move the block to where it fits best on your program page. Our recommendation is to keep this block as close to the top of your page as possible. Once you've finished laying out your Likes Follows block, click Publish in the bottom right and your design will be live. You'll have more followers in no time with the help of the Likes Follows feature. And remember, if you need any additional information, be sure to reach out to our team at support@socialtoaster.com.